Hi guys, welcome back to the Rights Cooking channel. Today we're gonna cook vegetable coconut rice with broccoli, and I'm just gonna get started on it and show you. You put a little water in the pot bottom. Okay guys, and then you're going to pour the coconut juice in it like this. We're going to turn the stove on high for right now. This is my onion, this is my green pepper. And this is my washed up thyme. And this is my scallion. Okay guys, this is gonna boil up for at least 5 minutes and then we'll get started again. Okay guys, we are back. I'm gonna get started on the vegetable. This is the mixed vegetable. Mixed vegetable. Okay guys, this is what it looked like.
We just brought our coconut milk to a boil, and now we have added our mixed vegetables, and now he's gonna season it up. We're gonna add some black pepper first, and we're just adding like a half a teaspoon of each seasoning. And we're going to add our paprika. We're going to add our garlic powder, sorry. We have onion powder. We're adding a little salt-free seasoning. And a little herb seasoning. And we're going to cover this up and we'll be back. Okay, we're back. We just stepped away for a minute to let this come to a boil. And now we're getting ready to add our rice. And let me show you. We're going to use yellow rice. And this rice comes already seasoned, so be careful with your salt when you're adding salt to your pot. Just do a little taste test and make sure it's good. So we use that whole bag of that one. And we're going to use another whole bag. Okay, we just did a little taste test and it's seasoned just fine. It got enough flavor and salt to it and everything. So now we're going to cover it up and let the rice steam
for another 10 minutes.
We'll be back.
Okay guys, we are back and this is what the rice look like. And now I'm going to add my broccoli to it.
And cauliflower.
And I'm just going to make a stir, guys, and make it cook for another 10 to 9 minutes. Okay guys, this is what it look like. So we're gonna make this cook for another 9 to 10 minutes guys.
Our rice is finished steaming. This is the finished product of our vegetable coconut rice. We're eating it with brown stewed beef, and it looks very delicious. It also tastes delicious too. Have a good day. Thanks for visiting Rice Cooking Channel.